Is dog sneezing a concern? Dog sneezing is natural, often caused by dust or playfulness. If sneezing occurs during play without other concerning signs, there's likely no need for worry. However, excessive sneezing can indicate more serious issues. Common causes include colds, allergies, and irritants like scents or particles. Foreign objects in the nose, nasal infections, and nasal tumors can also lead to sneezing. If consecutive, uncontrolled sneezing occurs, especially with discharge, consulting a vet is recommended. Reverse sneezing, a curious phenomenon, often resolves with gentle soothing. Breeds with flattened faces, like pugs and bulldogs, are more prone to sneezing due to their nasal structure.